Hi friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Python Ponder. My name is Girish Kumar and I hope you are doing well. So in this session we will discuss about package in Python. So what is package in general and what is package in Python? So how can we create a package in Python? What are the steps? What is the process of creating a package in Python? So we will discuss in this video in very simple way. So everybody will be able to understand at last of the video what is the package and how can we create package in Python. So I will record this video step by step. Everything whatever I will do in this video, this will be recorded. Okay, so let's start the session today. So first we need to understand what is package in general. So you think like a student. Okay, so in school bag a student have one school bag. In that school bag, what that school bag can contain? Okay, so inside that school bag you will find notebook, scale, book, pen, rotator, eraser, pencil, sharpener, etc. So these are all objects you can find within school bag. So that school bag is like a package. Okay, within that package you are containing multiple things, multiple objects, notebook, book, rotator, etc. Okay, so that school bag is like a package. In same way we have package in Python. So in Python, what we create in Python, we create lot of class, objects, functions, if conditions, loop statements, okay, and match statement, objects, loops, class, conditions. Okay, these all things we create in Python. Okay, so package, what we'll do in Python, package in same way, where school bag is like a package containing multiple objects. Here also package in Python will also contain multiple things, multiple loops, class, objects, methods, multiple functions, multiple classes. Okay, multiple statements it can contain. And what it will do, it will execute, it will be like a file, and that file will execute in a single shot, and it will execute all the statements, all the loops, all the process or functions whatever we have created inside that package, all will be executed in a single shot. So that is a package. So it's like a module, inbuilt module. In Python we have multiple inbuilt modules. We use that by using import command, but here we will create that inbuilt module. Like that inbuilt module will create a package. So package, folder, and inbuilt module, both all three terminologies are same in this video. Wherever I use package, inbuilt module, or folder, so it will be same. Okay, so let's start the discussion further. Okay, so I have created two classes, two codes, two set of codes I have created. One is task one, one is task two. So what I will do, I will include these both tasks, task one, task two, in a single file, and I will execute in a single shot. Okay, so what task two is doing? First, let's concentrate on task two. Okay, so task two is showing the details of player names. Okay, player name, player age, and what is the interest of that player. Okay, so player details, basic details of a player, we are handling by task 2. Okay, task 2 is consisting that details. Now task 1 is consisting the achievements of a player. Okay, whatever he has achieved in his life, so those achievements we are handling by task 1. Okay, so there are two different tasks I have created. Task 1 is using abstract method, abstract class. Okay, so for abstract class we have recorded already a video in Hindi, so you can watch that video to understand what is abstract class in Python. So now let's move forward. So here you can understand task 1 and task 2. Let's concentrate on compiler, what these tasks are doing both. So this is first task. Okay, this is our first task where we have one class, show player. This is the class name, show player. Okay, so we'll use this class to include in a file. The file is like a package, right? So now this class show player is, what is this class doing? This class is just storing the information about players, basic information about players, basic details like their name, age, and their favorite game. Okay, now this is the part of class designing phase. Okay, we call it designing phase. Okay, class we have created. Now from line number 12 to 18, this is where we are calling objects. These are the objects. Okay, and we are calling functions, we are calling methods. So this is our output. We have designed our output in this way. Okay, now this is one command that I have printed. Program 1 started successfully. So you will be able to understand, yes, this is for program 1. In same way, another class I have created, abstracted class. So for abstract class, we have to import it from ABC module. ABC module is there. From ABC module we are abstracted, we are taking, what is we are importing? We are importing ABC abstract class, and this one is abstract method. Okay, so these two things we are importing. Now this is the class part, designing part. okay, up to line number 25. Now from line number 27 we have started writing objects and calling methods. Okay, so this is object part. Okay, line number 27 to 34. So why I'm dividing the code into two part, one is class part, one is object part, because in one file we will include this part, only class part, and in another file we will include only object part. Okay, in a different file. So let's start the process to understand what is the process. First we'll understand, then we'll do step by step. So the process is, okay, so this is the process of creating a package in Python. So first step will be create a folder at any location in PC. Name of the folder should be appropriate. Okay, so for example, we are talking about players, sportsmen. So our package name we will give sportsman only. Okay, so the folder name we will give sportsman. That will be good to understand. Okay, so first let's create first folder at any location in our PC. So let's go to desktop. In desktop, my packages. First package I have created, that video has been recorded in Hindi, so you can watch that video to understand in Hindi. In second package, this is empty folder. Okay, so inside this folder we will create a folder sportsman. So let's create a folder sportsman. Okay, so now this is the sportsman folder. Okay, this will be the package name, or this will be the name of module that we are going to create. Okay, sportsman will be the module. Okay, next step, inside the folder we'll create an empty file with name init.py in notepad. Okay, so let's create here itself. So this will file will be empty. Okay, so we'll not write anything in it, it will be empty. Just go and save. Where we will save it? We'll save it inside the sportsman, whatever the folder we have created, package we have created. Inside that folder we'll create this init file. Then name will be double underscore init double underscore dot py. Now we'll save as type all files. Okay, it will not be like text, it will be all files. Now save it. Okay, so init file we have created, this is empty file, so let's close it. We have saved it. Now what is the next step? Next step is inside the same folder we'll create files according to requirement with .py extension. That means we have two codes, right? Task 1, task 2. So in both codes we have different codes, right? So we'll store one code in a different file. Okay, so let's copy that. First we are storing this code. Okay, so we'll copy only from line number 1 to 10, only class part will copy. Okay, show player, the name will be show player of that file. Okay, because class name is also show player, so we'll take file name will be also show player. Okay, so we'll copy only class part, designing part. Okay, let's copy it and create a different file at same location, just paste it. I will not modify anything, this code is running fine. Okay, we have shown it. So now let's show me again. Let me explain it again. I have not executed. So if we execute it here in this compiler, so it gives two outputs. Program 1 started successfully, one for Amit, one for Sahil. Okay, so this program is running fine. Okay, next program also let's check. Second file we will create for it. So this is also running fine, giving performance of the players. Okay, the information is coming continuous, right? There is no difference looking like. So what we'll do, we will drop an empty command here. Okay, now let's execute. Now it's better, right? So now let's understand. Okay, it's fine now. So both codes are getting executed successfully. Now let's go to that file show player. We are just saving file, save as. At the same location where we have created init file, same location we'll create this file show player.py. All files will be saving by py extension and all files. Okay, save it. So this file is also saved. So now let's close it. Now copy another file. Another file will copy from this line to line number 25 up to designing part. Okay, copy it and open another file, just paste it. Okay, and save as. At the same location we'll sport sports. Okay, dot py, we'll give it name like sports.py, all files. Okay, so we have created three files. Let's go to sportsman folder. Sportsman package. This is package name. Inside package name, we have created three files. Init file, empty file. Show player for code one, task one. Sports for another code. Okay, so two files for different codes. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. What is next step? For each operation, there will be different.py file. Yes, we have created that. One for details of the employee, one for achievements of the player. Sorry, not for employee, player. Details of the player and achievements of the player. Okay, now once files are created, will come out from the folder. Okay, here files are created, so we'll come out from the folder. So one step just back. So we are at sportsman now. Okay, now let's go to the notepad. At the same location, we will create main.py file. Now at the same location, now where we are, after coming back one step, at same folder, same location, we'll create a main.py. This will execute once. This file will be executed actually. Okay, so now let's create main.py. How can we create it? This will include print commands for each operation defined in the files. Okay, so let's create it. Now let's write commands. So this main.py file will be storing importing commands. We are importing from packages and objects. Whatever we have created objects and printout statements for our codes, those will be storing into this file. So let's import first. So from now, first file is what? Inside sportsman. From sportsman, first we are importing from sportsman. Okay, from sportsman, what we are importing? Show player is another file. Okay, let's open show player. This is show player, file name is show player. Okay, remember it. And now class name is also show player. Okay, so now let's understand. From sportsman dot show player, so we are importing from sportsman. Inside sportsman there is a file show player. Okay, now from show player import what we are importing? Class name. Class name is also show player. So first command is ready. From sportsman folder, there is one file show player. So sportsman.show player. From this package we will import. We are importing show player. It's a class. There is one more file is there, right? In at same location. Sportsman. Okay. And what is that file name? Let's close this one. That file name is sports. Okay. So we'll write sports. Sportsman.sports. Okay. Now import what? There are two different class, cricket and football. So we are importing cricket from sports and football from sports. So cricket, football, we are importing two class here. Okay, at first attempt we are importing only one class because one class is there. In second attempt we are importing two classes. If there are five classes, we can import five at once. If we don't want to import one class, we want to import only cricket, then we can import only cricket. That's also fine. Now two import commands are ready. Okay, so this is our next step. Now let's move to next step. Now this will include print commands also. So let's copy print commands from the code itself. So for first command, first code, the print command is starting from line number 12. Okay, this command line number 12 to 18 we have not copied into that file. That file will contain only class part that we have already saved it by .py extension. Now from line number 12 to 18 we'll copy and we'll paste in main.py file. In main.py file we are creating here, right? So let's enter. Okay, now let's leave an empty command here, so they will be easy to understand difference. So I have formatted in a way that this will give output like this: program 1 started successfully first, and after completion of the program it will give message program 1 ended successfully. In the same way I have designed for program 2 also. So let's copy program 2. Now program 2 is objects only from line number 27 to 35. Okay, so okay, now after completion of program 1 it will show us the message program 2 started and program 2 completed after completion. So this is our main.py file. It's a very simple just we imported from our package whatever we have created sportsman. Inside that sportsman we created one file sports play show player. In that show player we have one class, so from show player file we are importing show player class. Here from sports file we are importing cricket and football. Okay, so main.py file is ready. Now we can save it. Okay, we are not saving it inside sportsman. Other files we are saving inside sportsman init and files, but this main.py will be saved along with the sportsman, not inside the sportsman. So in second package go, so here sportsman is saved, right? So below this file will be saved main.py. Okay, all files. Okay, you can close it. Now let's see file is created or not. So these three files we have created inside the sportsman package, and along with the sportsman we have created main.py file. Okay, so this main.py we will execute now. How we will execute? See, now go to address bar at same location where we are now. Okay, and we'll type cmd command. So address bar is what, this one, right? Address bar will type cmd. So it will open command prompt. Okay, so now this is command prompt. Let's understand what we need to type here. Now it will open command prompt. Now we will type python space main.py. Okay, python space main.py. This is the command to execute that main file. So let's try this. Say both programs executed successfully one by one. So first executed programs one started successfully, printed the name of the players Amit and Sahil, details, age and their interest. Okay, now after completion of first program it started executing second program started successfully. Okay, playing cricket 10 years achievements, playing football achievements, and ended successfully. So in this way we can create a package and we can execute in a single shot. So main.py file is the main file that is executing both the codes. Okay, both the classes with their objects. Okay, so in this way we can create a package and we can execute it. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and comment on my video, and if you have not subscribed, I will request again, please subscribe my video and share as much as possible. Thank you very much students for watching.